Do I shoot from here or down here?
Down here.
Do I shoot it?
Yep.
I think it fell.
Okay, now I go up here. I got some ammunition that was in the crag, I think.
On the bank. Scotty?
I wouldn't worry too much about it.
You can't hear me.
Oh, can you see it?
In the grass. There you go.
There we go.
Scott?
Could have just brought your sundial.
Scott?
Safe.
Scotty? Scotty?
Jack.
Jack?
Cartridge.
Yeah, I'll get it in a minute. Well, looking like back over there, Jack.
I got in there and I'm sure I can put it back up. How far do I go up here? Out in here? What did I hit? Elbow. Yeah. Not helping to miss. Ah, shit. I can promise my long lead times will be fast. Jeez. Oh.
Hmm. You're high.
Over the top.
High, about
Am I going high on him?
Yep.
Still high. Good God.
Move up. I was
You're
halfway
high in
down
that
the hill.
too. Yep.
You're going about a foot over their head.
Got her.
Aim low, you're going downhill.
Yeah.
Actually, it's aim low.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Doesn't sound right, but it is.
That's the way it is. Well, it's shoot up or down, either way, aim low.
There we go.
Just off.
Man, this thing.
I'm feeling better.
Terribly.
Oh!
Scared the other one.